Last fall we pulled seeds from the tomatoes, from an heirloom tomato, and we're going to do the other part of the process of planting the seed and starting over with new tomatoes. First, for what we got here is potting soil. This is organic. You can buy all different types. I kind of like this one, so this is the one I work with. And I use hot water when I do this because it works better, it works up quicker, it also helps warm the soil a little bit, get enough moisture in it so it holds itself together and not too wet, just like you do if you're tilling a garden. This is the consistency that you would like to have. It's not wet, but it's not dry like it was before. We're going to load the containers, and it's just a matter of filling them up and kind of packing them down as I get them full. What I'm going to do is make the holes for my seeds to go in, and they should be right at 1/4 of an inch deep. To really plant these and do them right, it's hard to pick up this seed. We can pick these up with tweezers, but if you drop your toothpick in a little bit of water, you can reach right down usually and pick it up. Then all you do is take it over, put it in the hole, and go from there. Then I'll come back after I get this whole row done and cover them up. And when we get done here, we'll have about 36 planted, and hopefully they'll all come up. Okay, so now that we've got them planted, what I do, a lot of people don't, but I put the plastic dome on them. There's reasons that I do this. For my main reason is it helps hold the moisture in, and it also helps hold the warmth in. So I'll take these home. I have grow lights that I set up, and I have a heat blanket that I put underneath of them, and I'll grow these. It'll take hopefully anywhere from a week to 10 days they should be up, and we'll just, as it grows, I keep raising my lights. And then when it gets the second leaves on, some people transplant depending on how big they are, how sturdy they are. And then when they get up about, from the table up about that high, they'll be ready to plant. And that way they'll be ready, should be ready by the middle of May.